Everyone, I'm back with Curly Price here. I decided to do a Minecraft Comes Alive series. Minecraft Comes Alive series. Thanks, maybe a little too much. I'm a female. My name's Carly, obviously. Carly, but if you guys want to know my Minecraft name, it's Super/Puppy, but whatever. Carly, everything's fine. Yes, I prefer males. Did the seed not work? Guys, the seed didn't work. Guys, the seed did not work. I'm gonna have to make it. Oh, I have GTA in the background. I was just playing it. I'm gonna have to do Flat World. No, I shouldn't. Minecraft Comes Alive. Recreate. Flat World. Customize. Overworld. Sure. I'm gonna do Overworld, guys. Done, I guess. Seed for that world. Okay, 114840. 114840. Won't work. Please tell me it's gonna work. Please. Please, guys, this is our hope. This is our hope. This is our pride. This is our joy. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Is it going to work? It won't. Come on. Make the fans proud, Minecraft. Make the fans proud. Oh. Yes. Hopefully in a different seed. I'm just gonna leave it at Super/Puppy because that's my name on Minecraft. Please. Please, a different one? Begging? Oh yes. There is a different one. This is a small map. There we go. It's correct. I do not know why it does not spawn. Oh my god. Cancel. Anyway. Do on a Minecraft adventure. On a Minecraft adventure. On a Minecraft adventure to find a village. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, Minecraft tag. Oh, I like this Minecraft tag. Get rid of the hat. Oh, where you at? Oh, yes. Yes, I do have a bunch of mods installed. I do. You're wondering why my skin's so weird? Me and my friends do this thing, and I accidentally made it for computer, so I'm gonna be changing it after. So, what? Oh, sometimes I get like these loot bags, and it gives you like free stuff. Oh yeah, this is basically like really cool mod pack that I have on this. Never will stop dreaming. Gotta get this little bit. Oh my god. Chest spawn in these. I'm so scared. See, there's one. There's no monster spawning. Shiny bubble. I don't know what that does. But I think that's gonna be like our little start. But the next episode I'll be sure to find a village, and if not, then we're gonna have to make it flat. And remember, I will be changing my skin back to normal color. I'm gonna actually place some torches. Torch place. There you go. So see you guys later. Bye. I will promise that the next episode won't be this short, but for now, you know what? I'm not even gonna end it here. We just got to this new place. Pretty sure everyone wants to see it. So much spider webs. I'll see if I have enough peaceful after this episode. But oh man, no chest. We got some bread, we got saving disc, got shit. I didn't do comment. Well, yes, we have bread, arrows, name tag. I'm actually gonna put some of this stuff. Actually take the chest. I'm gonna make a bow, but I'm pretty sure I don't need that much, but whatever. Mark right here. Oh whoa, that makes the screen on my iPod really bright. Oh, another chest. Name tag. Ooh, a different one. Okay, well, got some gunpowder. We can make like TNT out of that. TNT. Oh my god. Take this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get out of here soon, but no, I didn't search this one. Gunpowder, gunpowder, redstone, music disc, bread, and yeah. Place a torch here. Break this. Two. Now I just want to find my way. What's this? Block of Jasper. Huh. Cool. Search this area. Another chest. Ooh, I might need a bucket in the future, so that's gonna come in handy. I'm gonna actually get out of here. It's actually helping me with collecting. I need a nice torch. It's no brightness all the way. Sound. No, it should be a video. Brightness, but oh my god, I just gotta get a little more thing. Okay, there we go. Good to do. Almost out of here. Yes, correct. I don't even know what rope does. This is the sad part. Oh wow, that was the entrance, and I came out this way. Well, I did see I was on peaceful, so let's turn it on easy. And just put this dirt back. And we have some torches left, but who really cares? I'm gonna go see what's over here. And some water. Jeez, do you guys see the way the character's posing? Gotta have my cute ocelot hat. Oh my god. Is there a bat following me? No, bat, come on. Come here, I wanna hurt you. Ow. That was the weird part. Oh, yeah, I also have like, I have the shapeshifter mod, so now I can fly. Oh no, but I look really cool. But I know I can be a pig. Pig with an awesome hat. Pig that needs to eat. I'm gonna get actually most of this coal. Just gotta get some coal. And you guys didn't know, you're like, oh, you're a cheater, blah blah blah. This is, if you put on bonus chest, it's a type of mod. If you put on bonus chest, it'll spawn the bonus chest in your inventory. So if you guys didn't already know that, just saying. But I think I'm gonna end the episode here because it's coming on in 12 minutes. If you guys say thumbs up like my cat, the cat on my head is with its fish, well then, thumbs up. Remember guys to believe, comment, like, subscribe, like, comment, yeah, so leave it right there. I'll do some off-camera work too, because I want to try and find a village. So, but anyway, bye guys, peace. Remember to believe, like, subscribe, comment, yeah, all the stuff that I said.